Hi there, amazing explorers! Welcome to our exciting story journey. Today, we're diving into the magical world of chronology and stories. But wait, what's chronology? It's just a fancy way of saying the order of events in a story. Let's get started. Chronology helps us understand the sequence of events. What happens first, next, and last. It's like following a treasure map that guides us through the story adventure. To spot chronology, look for these signal words. First, the beginning of our story journey. Next, what happens after the start? Then, the middle part of our adventure. After that, another step along the way. Finally, the end of the journey. These words help us follow the correct path in the story. Once upon a time, Timmy and Sandy decided to have a fun day at the park. First, they packed their favorite toys and snacks. Next, they rode their bikes through the sunny streets. Then, they played on the swings and slides. After that, they had a delicious picnic with sandwiches and lemonade. Finally, as the sun was setting, they rode their bikes back home, happily tired from their adventure. Now, let's see how well you understood the story. Here are some questions. 1. What did Timmy and Sandy do first in their adventure? 2. What happened right after they packed their toys and snacks? 3. What activity did they do after playing on the swings and slides? 4. How did the story end? Did you catch all the signal words that helped us figure out the order of events? Great job, story explorers! You now know how to spot chronology in stories using signal words. To practice, try writing your own mini-story using the signal words we learned today. Draw a timeline of events, and don't forget to share it with a friend or family member. Thank you for joining our story adventure today. Keep exploring, keep reading, and keep discovering new stories. Until next time, happy storytelling! And that's our adventure with chronology. What do you think, explorers? Are you ready to dive into more stories with your newfound skills? Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and learn with us. Bye for now!